20 Minutes Setswana presents.
Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning how to use fast and slow in a sentence. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
To say I run fast in Sesotho, we say
Ke mata ka pele.
and to say I run slow in Sesotho, we say
Ke mata hanyane.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When we say
Ke mata ka pele,
the kapele means something like with speed. So we're actually saying I run with speed. Look at this example. To say I walk fast in Sesotho, we say Ke tsamaya ka
pele.
And to say I walk slow in Sesotho, we say Ke tsamaya.
Hanyane.
Okay, let me explain some more. So when we say
Ke mata hanyane,
hanyane means something like with slowness. I run with slowness. So I eat fast in Sesotho is
ke ja ka pele.
and I eat slow in Sesotho is
Ke ja hanyane.
You see how easy it is? And now you can use fast and slow in a sentence. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Salahantle.
Sama!